The Salt Lake County District Attorney expects to have a decision this week as to whether or not a fatal officer-involved shooting that ended with the death of Bernardo Palacios Carbajal was justified. As ABC4's Brittany Johnson found out, under Utah law, many officers go uncharged for these lethal crimes. She joins us now live in studio with more on the reason why. Brittany.
Well, Glenn, if an officer believes use of deadly force is necessary to prevent death or serious bodily injury to the officer or another person, Utah law okays the officer's use of deadly force. And the way the law is written, it can be difficult for prosecutors to prove the officer did not believe there was a threat, but still fired their weapon.
Justice for Bernardo!
Justice for Bernardo, something protesters have been calling for since May 23rd. Bernardo Carbajal died after being shot more than 20 times by Salt Lake City police. Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill is screening the case for possible charges. Gill says he should have a decision later this week as to if the officer's actions were justified or unjustified. While Utah waits the DA's decision, ABC4 News decided to look into Utah's law on deadly force. Section 404 reads in part, a peace officer is justified in using deadly force when effecting an arrest or preventing an escape from custody following an arrest. The officer has probable cause to believe the suspect poses a threat of death or serious bodily injury to the officer or to others if apprehension is delayed, and the officer reasonably believes that the use of deadly force is necessary to prevent death or serious bodily injury to the officer or another person.
Our job then, of course, is to find out what was the perception of the officer, what did they actually see at the moment that they decided to pull the trigger, and what were the surrounding facts.
Since Sim Gill took office in 2010, his team has reviewed 99 officer-involved critical incidents. The DA ruled 7 not justified. Prosecutors decided not to file charges in 3.
I don't create the law. We follow and apply the law, whether you agree with it or not. If the outcomes don't line up with the ideals that we have, or if we think that the outcomes ought to be different, then we ought to really seriously look at changing the law.
Even if a shooting is ruled unjustified, it doesn't mean criminal charges will automatically be filed against the officer. Coming up tomorrow night at 10, part 2 of this report, when we take a look at the DA's process of investigating and analyzing these shootings. Glenn, back to you.